Okay, question number 45, which is from data structure and programming. Consider the following program written in pseudocode. Assume x and y are integers. So you can see the program. The number of times that print statement is executed by the call. So this is the call, count 1024 1024. So they want to know how many times the print statement will be printed. Okay, so 1024 and 1024 will come here. Okay, so it will go in. So x is not equal to 1, so it will go into the count statement. Okay, so now count equal to 1, first count equal to 1, and x is divided by 2, so now x will be 512. Okay, so again it will here again it will go to the count statement. Okay, so here again it will go to the count statement, and it will go here like x not equal to 1. So again this if loop will be executed, and here count x equal to 2. So here x will be 512, that is 256. Now count equal to 2. After that, likewise x will be 128, count equal to 3. So like this only it will go. When x equal to 1, then count will be 10. Okay, so count, so this statement will call 10 times. After that x after that on the 10 times, when the count equal to 10, x will be 1, so it will break the loop and it will go to the print statement here. Okay, so for one execution the number of time y is 1023 here, or 1023. So for 10 times it will be calculated, so into 10, so total number of number of the print statement will be 10230. So this is the answer for this question. Okay, thank you.